Favorite recipes, fakecations, and innovation. They all make for quality stories that we spend our time on during the day so you can spend your time doing other things. Maybe, pinning recipes you'll never use or secretly checking up on that X on Facebook. No judgment here. Go ahead and do your thing. But right now, let's dive headfirst into the shallow end of those things we find to amuse ourselves online with. This thing they told me to call On the Brink. Do you look for recipes online? Do you make a lot of food based on recipes you might see on Facebook? Do you want to stab someone when the author of those recipes wants to give you their life story and reasons why they like making this food rather than just giving you the dang recipe? I'm glad I wasn't the only one. Well, this is a surprising fact to me. The most Googled recipe of 2019, according to this couple of folks on Yahoo, is shepherd's pie with onions and cheddar. It really doesn't fit into your ketoacidosis AEIOU diet, does it? Well, their theory as to why it's so popular is that it's a cheap comfort dish. Potatoes, caramelized onions, and meat. And by the way, did you know that a shepherd's pie is made with lamb? And if you use beef, it's a cottage pie? Well, now you do, and so do I. And you also have two options for dinner tonight. Well, in a previous version of On the Brink, we told you how some IKEAs had to outlaw the playing of hide and seek in their store. Apparently, large parties were playing the children's game in, the huge box store. Well, this gal took IKEA-ing next level. She faked a whole vacation by doing a photo shoot around her local IKEA. This is Natalia Taylor, and she has almost 2 million YouTube subscribers and 320,000 Instagram followers. She said the internet isn't always what it seems, and it's easy to pretend to be anyone. And she wanted to put that to the test. So she took off to her local IKEA with a photographer and posted these pictures while tagging herself in Bali. None of her followers doubted her for even a second, even though in some of the pictures she left IKEA tags and other things kind of visible. She then vlogged about her experience on YouTube saying, "Don't trust everything you see. This just seems like an awful lot of work for me for a little reward. I'm still trying to put together my IKEA table I bought last October. And Instagram, whatever, hashtag, I have no idea, but I try." Moving on. All right, this is my favorite story of the day. This is Grandma Rita. She's over in Hanau, Germany. She needed a solution to a problem. She was in a situation that put her in a wheelchair several years back, and there were several shops and cafes that she wanted to go to, but they weren't wheelchair accessible. So she put together a colorful and easy solution with Legos. Her and her husband Ebel spend a couple hours a day assembling these made-to-order ramps, which can contain several hundred Lego pieces and up to 8 tubes of glue. They really kind of catch the eye as you walk past. Rita loves seeing people take pictures of the colorful creations, or even kids trying to pry them apart. Good luck, kids. Rita, you're the coolest, and I hope you keep making those Lego creations for years to come. You get my Everything is Awesome award for the day. This has been On the Brink.